Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Cervicogenic headaches, you may not even realize where it's originating from. And if the underlying cause, the problem in your neck, isn't treated, your headache won't go away. Cervicogenic headaches can be caused by injuries, arthritis, bone fractures, tumors, or infection.
Make your mark, take our lead.
By definition, chronic daily headaches occur 15 days or more a month, for longer than 3 months. True, primary, chronic daily headaches aren't caused by another condition. There are short-lasting and long-lasting chronic daily headaches. Long-lasting headaches last more than 4 hours.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Hemicrania continua, HC, is a type of severe headache. It's different from migraine headaches and cluster headaches. The pain from this uncommon type of headache occurs only on one side of your head or your face. In fact, the name literally means pain in half the head, in Latin.
Make your mark, take our lead.
When the body is dehydrated, the brain can temporarily contract or shrink from fluid loss. This mechanism causes the brain to pull away from the skull, causing pain and resulting in a dehydration headache. Once rehydrated, the brain plumps up and returns to its normal state, relieving the headache.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Ibuprofen or naproxen may relieve migraines or tension headaches. But, for more severe migraines, prescription triptans are often recommended. Preventive treatment. Prescription drugs can stop pain before it starts. It can make what you do feel less severe.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.